Assalamu alaikum. I hope everyone is well. So today I will talk about the Hostinger. Actually, what is Hostinger? Hostinger is a hosting panel where we can buy domain or host your website. Okay. So we'll talk about Hostinger in details, and also we will show you how to create a WordPress website by using subdomain. Everyone know how to install WordPress in your domain, but some people don't know about how to create a subdomain or how to create install WordPress by using your subdomain. Okay. So at first, if you talk about Hostinger is a hosting panel like we are about know GoDaddy, Namecheap, Bluehost, DreamHost, many other hosting panel in our current in our world. So Hostinger is a type of website. This provide our hosting and domain at a time. So Hostinger is a new, but it's very much popular. You can see this is the interface of our Hostinger website. Here we can see the plan is a premium plan, basic plan, and startup plan. Okay. So I have already account. So we can see this is the Hostinger dashboard. I buy their premium plan. So this is our dashboard. Okay. Now we can see how to create a subdomain by using our domain. So now what is subdomain? Like if I clarify, domain is our parents and subdomain is our child. So a subdomain carries our parents name. Like if we search, like my domain name is sirajchowdhury.com. So this is my domain name. Okay. So what is subdomain? Like if I type here web terminal sirajchowdhury.com, this is my subdomain. Okay. So my subdomain carries our parents name. Okay. So how to create this subdomain? Now we need to go our dashboard and click our website. Then we can see our domain here. This is our domain and this is our subdomain. So we can just click dashboard. It's a very easy and simple process. Just we need to follow some steps. So now we can see here there is a domain name. Okay, there is option in domain. So just click in domain and you can see we have a option in subdomains. So click it and now we can need to create a subdomain. Here you can see we can need a subdomain. So like I create my sub. You can use any name here. I just put my subdomain .sirajchowdhury.com. Now we need to create a custom folder. You can use you can recreate like this, just create it, no problem, no other issue. But I will show why we need to create a custom folder. Okay, so now I just create my subdomain. Again, I just use my sub. Okay, then create a new folder. Like I am creating now a new folder for my database. Okay, so here I will use / my sub. Then we can see and you this folder in my file manager. Okay, just now create. Okay, we use two other subdomain. Our subdomain is successfully created. Basic, very simple. Okay, just 1-2 click. So here we can see my sub and my subdomain too. This one I create a file. This one I didn't create a file. Okay, automatic generated my subdomain file. Okay, so now how can we find my files in my file manager or in my database? So just you need to click your file option. Here you can see our file, then click file manager. Then we can see access files of Siraj Chowdhury. This is my domain. So just click it. Okay, this redirect our file manager file. Okay, so we just need a public.html. So we can see here is my subdomain name, that is top top one. Why? Because I use an underscore. If we don't use underscore, if we have more file like this is our main file, wp admin wp content includes, here we start our main file, but then the upper one is my sub, this one another, this is my web terminal, this is my sub. So my web terminal is my subdomain, it is created very long. So now I create this one. So why this one is come first? Because I use an underscore, I use an dash, anything. So that's why we need to use this dash for find our subdomain in top. Okay, I hope you understand. So now this we need to create a WordPress website by using our subdomain. So just we go to again dashboard. Now we need to click in what website. Okay, here we can click in website. So here is a multiple option, auto installer, migrate, anything. Just we will talk about later. This about like now we will install in WordPress in this website. Okay, so just click auto installer. We can see here is then WordPress, WooCommerce, Joomla, others any platform we have, but we just create on this WordPress now. So select, and then we need to give a title, like I give them title my sub. Then this is my email, you can use any others email for anything, you can use administrator name. This is I will use my sub, and we need to give a password, strong password, like I am giving my sub @123. So this is my password, must be follow the all password, must be follow these characteristics. Okay, so now click advanced mode. This is an important, so you can must be give this one. Okay, installation path. So we must select here our domain name. This is my domain name. So if you want to create your WordPress in your main website, so you just need to click your main website name. If you want to create WordPress in your subdomain, just you need to select here, you can see your all subdomain listed in this section. So you just need to click. So I click this, I select my subdomain name and just next. Then we need to select our recommended version for WordPress, PHP, then install. It takes some time. Okay, here we can see our WordPress is already installed. This is our WordPress dashboard. Okay, now we can log in our admin panel where we can customize our WordPress website or something else. Okay, so just how can we customize? Let's click here admin panel. Hostinger is very easy actually. Hostinger use hPanel. Hostinger is have daily backup process, many storage, 200 100 GB NVMe storage. So it's a very useful and their support is very much good. So I will recommend, if anyone go to the want to buy hostinger or want to buy any hosting or domain, we can easily buy here. Okay, we can usually do hostinger is the best platform. So like you can see our WordPress dashboard is come. So this is very common process, very easy process. Just need to confirm, just need to check my every step very carefully. Okay, so you can see how our website is already live. Okay, you can see myself, our main domain, parents domain, and my child domain. So this is our website. I hope you all are understand about how to install WordPress in our subdomain and also have enough knowledge about hostinger and others hosting panel. Okay, so this is the end of our video. I hope all liked and I will love you my video. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum.